Carolina, Henderson, and Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flood warning for the French Broad River at Blantyre from this evening through Tuesday, or until the warning is canceled. At 2:30 a.m. Monday, the stage was 10.7 feet. Minor flood stage is 16.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will rise above minor flood stage by this evening and continue to rise to near 16.5 feet by early Tuesday morning. Impact at 16.0 feet. Minor flood stage. Farmland flooding continues on both sides of the French Broad River. Flood waters begin to impact boat access areas at Grove Bridge Road and Crown Creek Road. Impact at 15.0 feet. Action stage. Most farm fields are flooding between the French Broad River and Bavard Road, and between the French Broad River and Pleasant Grove Road. Do not drive cars through flooded areas. Remember, nighttime makes it difficult to recognize flooded areas. The latest stages and forecasts for rivers can be found on our webpage at http://water.weather.gov/index.php?WFO=GSP. The National Weather